Alright, some shrimp. Oh, it's a nice cat.
It's only a small one.
Good job, Joe.
Why'd you even net it? It was already on shore.
I already had it in my hand, man. I had it netted.
It was already on
Yeah,
shore.
but what do you mean?
Already on the pavement.
I'm the best netter ever, man. Even if it's over the railing, I'll be
best netter ever. Joe, please. Don't fool around. I'll net it, Joe.
Yeah, here, take that. I can't even net a fish.
What the buck is up? Hope you're having a bucking outrageous day. So today, back on the Detroit River. So I'm just making it out of the bank right now. It's a beautiful, beautiful afternoon, deep summer, and I heard the cats are still biting. So we're gonna use the shrimp again. You know how it works. I just try to get here and get fun. Just still trying to find that 10-pounder. There's a beast in my way right now trying to destroy me, but it's Mother Nature. Anyways, let's get to fishing. Get out of here, B. So right now you can see that we got we use rod holders down here, and we just hold them against the rail just so it protects our rod a little bit. You don't get the damage. It's like a hand holding your rod right here. Mike, thank you for hooking me up. Yes, yes, yes. If you guys get a chance to get one of these. Very good for still fishing, cat fishing, carp fishing, whatever you want when you want to sit down and just enjoy yourself. Yes. This is it. Yeah, really good.
Rinsed it.
Anyways, let's go. There's a kitty. There's a kitty to start the night. So, Mikey!
Another one, bro.
Yeah, welcome back to another session here.
Thank you, sir.
Oh yeah.
It's always a pleasure.
It is. This is gonna be a good one here. Hey man, the past couple of sessions that we had are just amazing, bro.
Fire.
Super fire. Super fire. Let's see how this makes out here. Oh man. Wow, great fight here. We've got the clouds in the evening here. Broken up sky, and they're starting to bite. Oh. So I don't want to lose this fish, so I'm going to let him fight for a bit. Take some of this drag. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's going to be a chunky one. No, it's not. It's a cat. Yeah. But roughly about 4 pounds, I would say. It feels like all my 4-pounders. Oh, it doesn't want to come up now. Oh, it doesn't want to come up. I was trying to force him up. Did you see it? I was trying to.
Not yet.
I was trying to lift him up. Wow.
Close and then dive back.
Yeah, it does.
This is a nice cat.
Is it?
Strong.
Oh, jeez. Now, Chrissy, this is a fish with shoulders.
Oh, big ass cat.
Is it?
Oh, we're getting the scale.
Is it?
Yeah. This might be your 10.
Is it for sure?
Yeah. 100%. Bro, you don't know how much these things weigh compared. No. For how much these things weigh compared to fish, that's a 10 or more.
Oh.
These things are way like denser
Wow.
than fish. They're muscle.
Wow. Woo! Woo! Alright guys, there you go. That's a big one. That's a channel cat from the Detroit River. I was just using a shrimp. We're gonna weigh this up in a second to find out what the pure weight is. But I'm gonna estimate about 7 pounds or so. Mike thinks it's over 10. I don't know. I'm not really familiar with cats. We'll find out right now. Check this out.
Oh, so look, it's full.
Alright, there's the kitty that I just caught. We're gonna find out.
No, you were right.
7 pounds, 3 ounces. Right there, guys. You guys see it? 7 pounds, 3 ounces. Right on the scale.
They look bigger than like.
It did. It did. Well. Great catch. Great catch. Thank you, Mike.
Cheers, bro.
Yeah,
nice catch.
Yeah, we'll chuck this back in the water.
I called it. I said something.
I'll chuck a door. Meow, kitty!
You what? I netted too many of his fish today. Please get
You're a
this
good
one.
man.
I'll have to go over his line, for sure. What up?
Beautiful hook set, brother.
Thank you, brother.
That was nice.
I had to make sure I whale on this
waited
one.
long enough, eh? When you catch
I
that
waited.
You've been training all day.
Oh yeah, I have been training all day.
50, what's the next one?
Training day.
Did Ahmed take any? Or you're not keeping them, are you?
Oh, I think me and Mike have each other too. I have Mike's line and I have a fish.
Go underneath them and over top of them again.
Over, yeah?
You got everybody. You got
There.
Oh, you got it already.
It's just a hook wrapped around his line. It's a small cat though.
The hook, it just came off.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Okay, we're free.
Yep.
Thank you, Mike.
Oh, awesome.
Artie, you on?
Arden, see?
Look at this one.
See?
Look at that one.
Brother, man.
That's not good.
Oh yeah.
Good for you. You look at me, you're like, no, bro, that's a fish. But call him, he's like, no, bro, that's a fish. There you go.
Thank you, Mike. I appreciate it.
Your hook?
Yeah.
It came
just
off.
let it go. Yeah. Thank you, Mike. Awesome. There you go, guys. Another little cat there. Small one. But great start for the evening.
No, I'm letting you do it.
Anybody want this? Pete, you want this, right?
Yeah. It's only about a pound and a
I got a stringer. You want a stringer?
Straight to the jar.
Yeah.
Straight to the jar. Just take the stringer home and give it back to me.
So Arden's got one there. Another one coming in. We just paused it for a second. But I think it's gonna be a nice kitty. Nice! Nice cat.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Nice cat.
Get in the boat!
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. 8 pounds for
Flip it out just like
What?
No, not
I would say like 5, 6.
5, I'd say.
Come on,
5 or 6,
man.
but still nice.
Come on.
Got the boys, baby.
Ready?
The boys.
Nice. Fuck, you would have had 4. Son of a bitch. It's all right.
Alright. Yeah, alright. Nice kitty, bro.
Yeah.
I was just trying to hold my rod, that was it.
No.
He hasn't caught one?
Wow.
Not yet. How long has he been fishing?
Wow.
Really?
Oh, it is.
You got here just before me then.
Yeah.
I think he's
Right
got
into
one.
the night here.
Eric's got one.
Hey, he's got one now.
Hey,
Yeah.
He's got one now.
I must have been good luck because I was just mentioning your name.
Yeah.
We don't have my huge net anymore.
It's over there. My net's over there.
Wow.
Take your time with it. There's no net.
It's, yeah, Aham's getting it. Aham's got it. I got this one.
Hey,
You
hey,
get
Mike.
Eric's.
Mike, you know what it is? It's the cherry wood.
It is the
It's
cherry
the cherry
wood.
wood,
It is.
Mike.
It is the
Oh,
cherry
cherry
wood.
wood.
That's a nice rod.
It is. Thank you,
Can't go
sir.
wrong with that, brother. That's his catfish rod now.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck yeah.
You can use that for a lot of things.
It's been doing me very well.
Right? Right.
Yeah.
And Brandon likes his.
That's a big one. That's a big fish, brother. That might be a 10-pounder. It's a big one. Yep.
Oh, dude!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, I
Oh,
never
yeah.
seen a cat jump like that yet.
He's seen the sunlight. He doesn't want
Pissed
it no
feet.
more.
That's about a 7-pounder.
Yes.
You think so?
Oh, yeah.
Bigger. No, yeah,
No.
you're right, Mike. 5.
No, five. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
That's a good one, B.
Oh man.
That's a new tie job on the sinker.
Yeah, it is. Thank you. Thank you.
Beautiful fish.
And who has my multi? Oh, they have one still. Okay.
Hey, at least he caught something.
All right.
You have to leave the stringer off. You just walk around, collect.
All right.
You're not gonna have time to cast.
Cool.
I gotta say, your hook set on catfish.
A mile cat.
The hook set on cat. I always said catfish.
Hey.
Only catfish.
Guy's like, I'm going after the fucking.
Oh, fuck.
All right. There it is. Another cat, guys. Oh, here, take it. Take it. Take it. One for Pete Stringer again.
Yep.
The night is on. Gonna be a beautiful channel cat. Nice, beautiful sunset behind the clouds behind me. Vassar Bridge as a view. This is life. One day somebody will get over here with the net. Over here, Tam. Where are you going? Over here. Yeah, don't go that way. Yeah, don't go that way, bro.
Oh, that looks like a blue cat, bro.
It is a blue cat. Yo!
Bro, that's a blue.
I caught a blue catfish.
Bro, that's a blue catfish.
Word. There you go. I don't know what kind of kitty. It's a channel, I think. It's kind of blue. What do you guys think? Nice and skinny, but it's a beautiful, nice catfish right there. Caught it on the shrimp. Nice deep water. And my cousin Tan is on right now, so I gotta get ready. Hold on, check this out. Look at him crank away behind me. Ah!
Oh, small.
Small? Small? But it's fish. It's a fish. What?
Get the video, watch.
Oh, yeah, what?
And he got out of it. It's like, let me know when they're close. Is that just weed? For real? No.
There's a fish.
It's a baby cat. The weeds are just bigger than the cat. Well, give us a cat though. That's what you're targeting, man.
Joe, I know. This is what I do, Joe.
This is what I do.
I invented this shit.
I know. You're the slayer. Mike Falzone, the catfish slayer.
The falcon.
Yes.
The falcon
yes,
Falzone.
Yes.
Because falcons grab fish out the water like nothing. With their talons. Do the falcons have talons?
What is that, channel?
That is a channel. Yeah, it's a nice channel. Well, there you go, Joe. That's how you do
Where's
it.
Pete? Where's Pete?
Here,
Where's
take
Pete?
it already.
I don't want.
What
Where's
are you
Pete?
doing? You just said you
Go back
wanted
into
to.
the water you go then.
Give it to Pete.
Nice. Nice catch, Mike.
Thank you,
Oh,
brother.
yeah.
Oh yeah!
Oh, yeah.
Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with
Why not? You rock. You have to keep reeling.
I'm just gonna net it.
Oh, you might be able to go under. Hey, go under and wrap around. And you go. You unlock.
Under like this.
Yeah, there you go. 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 You're unlocked now. You're unlocked now. You're unlocked. Oh, it's a nice cat.
Oh, baby!
It's a nice cat.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh yeah,
There's a fish. Good job, Eric. Good job, Eric.
bro.
She's a beauty.
Take him out of the got him?
Nice.
Sure.
Now you gonna pick it up?
What up, guys?
Why not?
Who
Why
wants to
not?
pick it up for me?
You want me to kick it over like last time? Oh fuck! Really? This is gonna be an adventure. Next listen.
Hey, here. Look at it. Mike.
Yeah,
Oh,
baby.
There, you got something in there. Come on, Pete.
Oh, it's only a small
Pete.
one.
What?
It's only a small one.
I almost netted with something in your net.
Oh, all right, some shrimp. Oh, it's a
Only
nice
small
cat.
one. It's only a small one.
Why'd you even net it? Why'd you even net it? It was already on shore.
I already had it in my hand, man.
Why'd you
I had
even
to net it.
It was already on shore.
Yeah, but I had
He
to.
net it. It was already on shore. That was sick. He tried to try and put the net on it. On the net already. That was crazy.
Are you playing lacrosse?
That was crazy.
You have to net it.
Mike, nice cat.
Thanks, buddy.
I got a big one. Oh yeah, I got a big one. Oh yeah. Look. Yeah. Yeah. You can have this, brother. This is gonna be a nice fish.
Am I caught on you? I think I am, man.
That's alright. Just leave it. Just leave it. Just leave it. Yeah, reel in. Holy cow. Bro, my
Oh,
tongue.
you're gonna break your line.
Bro, my drag is tight.
Don't loosen it.
Right now it's pros versus Joe. Relax.
Yeah.
Over you, under you.
I don't know. I'm just gonna keep reeling.
Oh no, I'm good.
Alright. You're out. Yeah, you're out.
No, I'm over you, I think.
No, he's got my line.
Oh, that's a big
Oh,
fish. Whose line is this? I got you?
bro.
Look at the weight.
Bro.
No, I got you.
Who is that? Seriously?
Oh, Pete, that's not you.
I got somebody here.
No, I don't got Mike. It's a fish.
No,
Bro, it's peeling dry so hard right now.
that's just a fish.
Look at that. No, look at it. Bro, look at that. Look, it's a fish. Look at this. I got a fish.
Mike has Mike, I got somebody's line over here.
No, I got a fish.
Mike, just fight the fish.
I'm by myself.
Don't worry about anybody else. Bring it in.
Yeah, I got a fish. You know that.
I seen those 2 poles.
On the nice cherry wood here.
Yo, this is your line.
No, Mike. Okay,
Oh my God.
leave it. Wait. I got his line. I'm gonna get it over right now.
Oh wow. Wow, bro. This is gonna be.
Loosen your drink. Let him pull. Okay.
Wow.
Okay, ready? It'll just be quiet. Hey, Mike. I'm gonna cut his
Let me
line
on the
off.
inside. Let me on the inside.
Yeah, sorry, Mike. Sorry, Mike.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Look at this fish.
Wow.
Big old bad boy.
Oh, that's a big
It's a sheephead.
Who wants to net it?
No wonder.
I'm going away now.
No wonder.
He's going away now.
It's a sheephead. It's a big old sheephead. That's why.
And you got 6 lines with
Oh.
it. You deal with it.
There you guys go. I got a freshwater drum.
That's my fish.
Is it?
Yeah, bro.
Is it? No, that's my fish. That's my hook. All right.
You guys can have it. I don't want it. Hey,
I don't care.
it's a shitty. Right? V?
Yeah, it
Gives a
is.
fuck.
It
It's
is a
yeah, it
crapper.
doesn't matter. It's a fish.
It's a crapper.
It's a fish, though.
Yeah. All right, guys. There you go. There's the freshwater drum that I just caught. Joe's got it in his hand. That's a beast. Beast. Are you letting it go? You want it, Peter? Come on, bro. You want it, Pete?
What spot is this?
Pete, come on. Onto the stringer.
For the lawn. Mr. Pete. Mr. Pete.
All right. We gotta get him back into the water. Thank you, Joe.
No. Yeah, this feels like a catfish.
Yeah, I think it's a cat.
Nice one, too.
My cousin Pete is on another. That's lay. That's lay.
Coming. Who's gonna net me here? Can you net me over on the side?
Yeah, I got the net.
This is a catfish.
I got the net here. Alright, I'll put this net on, put this light on for my head right here, so my cousin Pete can get this catfish in. And we're about to net this thing. Alright guys, we're about to see this catfish any second now. Oh, that's a nice one. Nice one. Nice. Oh no, not yet, not yet. He swam back out.
Let me try to find a spot where there's like a water open.
Right here, right here.
Can you reach it?
Here, come on in. Pull it in, pull. Pull. There you go. I got it. I got
an
it.
8-pound test, so I can only be like.
There you guys go.
Oh, that's a big one.
That's a big one. No, it's like 5.
No, I said I got only 8 pounds.
Oh yeah, yeah. Damn, look at that thing.
Yeah, it's good. Good
That's
release.
what I
Good release. Open up. Do a surgery.
4 pounder, 5
He's
pounder.
fucking strong. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. There you go, Pete. Good fight.
Oh yeah, great fight.
Edible.
Edible.
Into the jar.
In jar, man.
All right, everyone. Gonna end my night there. Caught up in the rain. Had to rush home real quick, but we slayed a lot of cats there. It's darker now, but a lot of fun. A lot of fun. You guys get a chance to get out there and have fun. All right. I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right. Peace.